everybody. It's already 12 p.m. so it's not exactly the morning. Y'all want to hear it cold or what? Recently I bought myself a new Camaro. This is a 2023 SS CAMARO. I've just been kind of having fun with it. I recently deleted the muffler and deleted the secondary cats on it, so this is why it kind of sounds like this. Hopefully it's picking up the audio pretty well. I bet I look really funny because I have the GoPro on top of my head and everybody's probably just thinking I'm an idiot. Last time I recorded a video, the quality was so bad. Like, I've been trying to fix my settings, so hopefully this video doesn't go to the trash as well. The visibility on this thing is absolutely garbage. But I bet you already knew that since you're watching this video and you've been looking into a Camaro. You know that you can't see shit. You cannot see shit. My fellow Camaro right here. This is a 10-speed automatic. For the people that make fun of people that don't drive manuals, you could honestly raw it, because I don't really care. And I'm gonna be honest, I honestly prefer the automatic 10-speed over the 6-speed manual. Clear, boys. Alright boys, I'm gonna set y'all up real quick for a quick little rev. I'm gonna put it in track mode. I'm gonna set y'all for a quick little rev and see how that goes. But actually, let me show y'all the whip though. Show y'all the whip. This is the whip right here. Hopefully I can kind of see it good, because honestly I might just use this one, because really this camera kind of dying. Yeah, this is not really doing it justice. Alright, gang. I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm about to put it on automatic because I've been using, I guess, the shifter pedals and this thing right here. People be clowning on people that use this right here, but honestly, it's fun, man. Like, what the hell? This is automatic right here. I'll give you a small little pull. It's probably gonna be a quick video, just kind of introducing myself. Really, if you've been watching my channel, you know who I am already, but if this is your first time ever being in this video, my name is Manuel. I go by Zanuel. I'm 23 years old, and I just basically bought my dream car. If you have any questions about it, like leave them in the comment section. I might answer there, or one day in the future I might upload a video on, I guess, like a Q&A or something. I don't really know, because I don't think nobody cares about me like that. But I can't lie, I've had this month for like, I'm gonna say a month or two now. A month or two, closer to 2 probably. And I have enjoyed and loved every single little bit. A Camaro has always been my dream car as a ZL1, but I decided to get the SS just because I'm saving like quite a bit of money just for a car who, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it's amazing, it looks beautiful, and it's everything, but this is perfectly fine. It was quite expensive too, really. I probably could have thrown in a bit more and probably just got myself a ZL1, but honestly, I'm not really into the HP and stuff. Like, yes, I'm probably gonna put stuff on it, like in the future I might put some headers or a Corsa exhaust, but I'm not really too into that horsepower stuff. I kind of just ride. I like the sound of things. I like how the Camaro looks. I like any Camaro, really. I'm a big 2012 Camaro fan. That's the car I had before, and I love the ZL1 look on the, I believe it's like 2019, 2020. A small little quick fact, this car only takes 93 gas, and that really be running up your pockets. I basically fill this tank up every 2 days. It's like $55 to $60 every single time I have to fill it up. Oh, what y'all hear in the back there, if you heard it, and that's my secondary cats in the trunk. Let's go ahead and fill this thing up. Yeah, I remember that, chat. I look fucking retarded with my GoPro on though, for real. People are definitely like, I'm embarrassed, because I don't even be putting it on right. Hello. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Can I get 60 on 14?
Sure.
Thank you. Type shit. Well, that's the baby right there. $93. Run my pockets. I'm not even joking. I filled this up like 2 days ago. It's like every single 2 days I have to fill this up, like 55, 60 bucks, depending on the price of the gas, really. But if you're wondering on the location, this is Texas. Gotta love me, Texas. I literally would not want to ever move. I want me a little mansion in Texas one day. Obviously just dreaming here. I live with my parents and shit. Hey, you know what they say, guys? You don't buy a car for the miles per gallon. You buy a car for the smiles per gallon. I'm so cringe. We're looking at $55 today.
I sometimes have wondered where you've gone. Story